Okay, so tell whether the triangles are similar. How can we find out if this triangle on the left is like a small version of the one on the right? But that's what similar means, remember? Similar means same exact shape, but different sizes. So similar means same exact shape, but different sizes, and all three angles must be equal. That's how we know two triangles are similar. They have the exact same three angles. All right, so basically to answer this question about whether they're similar or not, we have to find the angles, and we can start with that one, can't we? So first step, so I'll change this to be, so step number one, find that angle. How can I find this angle right here?
You would have to add 43 and 90 and then subtract it by 180.
Yeah, because we know these guys are 90. He's right, that's what the little boxes mean, you all know that. So yeah, so take 180 and subtract the 90 and the 43, exactly. And so we get, I don't know, whatever my calculator says. Oh, it's going to be 47. Yeah, so that one's 47 degrees, isn't it? So we got that one. Now, step number 2, we can get this one. How do we get that one now?
The same thing.
Yeah, why can we do the 180 again?
Because half a line equals to 180.
Yeah, good job, Ruben. Yeah, because this time we're talking about one side of a straight line is 180. So we have two 180 facts, don't we? Every triangle holds 180, and one side of a straight line holds 180 because it's half a circle. Remember, if you have a circle, like all the way around a circle is 360. So therefore, halfway around the circle is half of 360, it's 180, which means one side of a straight line. So these three angles right here, the 86, the 47, and this one, they have to make 180 degrees because they're one side of a straight line. So we have a triangle holds 180, one side of a straight line holds 180. So it's the same thing again, 180 minus the 86 and minus the 47. If you do all that, you get another 47, surprisingly. Now, you might not on yours. Yours, it might come out different. It's random. So mine came out also being 47 degrees. That's step number 2. And then step number 3, we can find this angle. Again, the 180, this time it's the other triangle. 180 minus the 90 minus the 47, and I got 43. So that one's 43. So are these triangles similar? Yes. Mine's a yes. Now yours might be no. It randomizes it. It does it randomly. So you have to just go through the steps. And if you end up with, all three angles must be equal to be similar triangles. All three angles must be. So I got 43, 43, 90, 90, 47, 47. All three of my angles came out the same. So what does that mean? That means there's some, it means this is a big version of this. Like if you took this right here on a photocopy or something and you blew it up and made it bigger, or like on a computer program and expanded it on Microsoft Word or something, that's the same shape. It's just a bigger version. It's just a blown up version of the same shape, or the other ones are shrunk down. They are exactly the same shape. One's just a bigger version, one's a smaller version. How do we know? All three angles are equal. The sides aren't equal, right? One's a bigger version, but all the angles, all the openings between the sides are all three the same. So that means, yes, indeed, they're similar. If you get different angles, and you might, this version has it's random. It has a yes and a no. It can go both ways. And so you might get different angles. And if you get different angles, then the answer is no. in that case.